Hello, we're going to do a recap on some column subtraction. So let's start on one where we don't have any regrouping, and I'll work with some 3-digit numbers. So for example, if we had 476, we're taking away 213 equals. The children would write this as a column subtraction, making sure that their hundreds, tens and ones were all lined up. They could use the pictorial method, so we'd be drawing the deans, the base 10 that we use in class. Because it's a subtraction, they only have to make that first number. So I'd encourage them to draw a place value grid, and they would draw 400s, which we draw flat square, 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 6 ones. The children would then do the take away. So they would actually physically take away. So let's have a look. I'm just going to change my colour to make it a bit easier. So you'd start with the ones because they're the smallest. So from the 6 ones, you need to take away 3. So I'm left with 3 ones. From the 7 tens, we take away 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm left with 6 tens. And from the 400s, I'd take away 2. I'm left with 200. 6 take away 3 is 3. 7 take away 1 is 6. 4 take away 2 is 2. Hopefully that should be self-explanatory. Let's have a look at one that will be tricky though, that includes regrouping. So I'm going to do 421 take away 117 equals. So exactly the same start. You've recorded it as a column, making sure that your hundreds, tens and ones are lined up. We'll do the pictorial method again. So I'll draw a place value grid, and I will draw out the first number. So we've got 400s, got 2 tens, and 1 1. So let's have a look. I'm just going to change my colour, so hopefully it makes a bit more sense. So we always start with the ones because they're the smallest. So if you can see from my ones that I cannot take 7 ones away from the one I've got. So I need to regroup that 20 that I have got, and I need to regroup it into 110. And then I need to change that into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because that 20 is now made up of 20 and then 10 ones. Now I need to remember to record that on my column. So I don't have 2 tens, I have 1 10, and I have 11 ones. So the 20 has been regrouped into a 10, and then the 10 ones. So 21 is now made up of a 10 and an 11. Hope this is making sense. Now I need to do some taking away. So from those 11 ones, I need to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 take away 1 is 0, and 4 take away 1 is 3. Let's have a look at one more together. I'm going to do one now where you have a regroup of the tens. So we will do 432. We're going to take away 341 equals. Again, going to write it out as a column. And then I would draw my hundreds, tens and ones, my deans, to help me work this out. I'm going to flip over the colour for my drawing today. I'm going to do, so I have got 400s, got 3 tens, and I've got 2 ones. Now I'm going to start doing some taking away. So 2, take away 1, I'm left with 1. Now I need to take away 4 tens from the 3 that I have. So I need to regroup those hundreds. So what I need to do is I need to get one of those hundreds and I need to do a fair swap, regroup it into 10 tens, because 100 is the same as 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I now have 3 hundreds and I have 13 tens. So from those 13 tens, I'm taking away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm left with 9. And from those 300s, I'm taking away 3. I'm left with 0. I don't really need to put anything in there, but if you want to put a 0 as a placeholder, you can. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any more questions.